The staff in our kitchen start at 6:15 in the morning. So that is staffed by professional kitchen staff. And coming up here, they'll be running the line. The meals will go out in coolers, out to vans. Those vans will go out to depots throughout the city, and you would recognize those depots as church parking lots in your neighborhoods. That's where the volunteers link up. It takes 75 volunteers every single weekday meeting those vans, and they spiderweb out throughout the city and deliver the meals in under 2 hours flat.
Why do you volunteer Meals on Wheels?
Because it's very rewarding. You're helping people, and in the process, you're getting back more than you give. It's a beautiful thing.
Probably the greatest misconception with the public is that we're funded by some level of government, and that they make sure that those people are getting fed, and that's not the case at all. Our clients pay based on a sliding scale according to their income, and then we fundraise the difference. So clients cover about 50% annually, and we have to cover the balance.
So how do you make up the balance? Do you do fundraising events? What kind of events do you do?
Yeah, we do some fundraising events. We've been blessed with the Vehicles and Violins this year that CMDA puts on annually, so that'll be coming up in 2012. We apply for all the competitive grants at the provincial levels and with foundations, and a lot of support from individuals in Calgary. Generally, that is where we get most of our support. Individuals really understand, and particularly if Meals on Wheels has touched their lives in some way.
Now, on that note, how can an individual make a donation? Saying, that's a great idea. How can I contribute?
Mealsonwheels.com. It's really easy. Just go online and make a donation.